Hey guys, digital tutorials here. Today I'm gonna show you how to speed up a video on TikTok. For this you have to open your TikTok application and then tap on plus icon right here, and your camera will be open. We have to record a video. First of all, before recording, we have to check this icon right here, speed 1x, and tap on the 2 or 3x to speed up the video recording. Let's say we have to record this video on 2x. Tap on record button. Okay, now this video is recorded 2x faster, and we can upload this video on TikTok by tapping next button. And the second method is you can actually speed up a video by uploading. For this you have to upload a video right here and use a video and select it. Tap on next. You will see the icons right here, and use adjust clips right here. There's the icon. Click on that icon and you will see the options of a time bar like this. Click on that button and you will see options like slow down the video by tapping 0.5x, or you can actually fasten the video by tapping 2x. If the video is longer, you can actually tap on 3x will appear on your screen. And by tapping 2x you can fast your video and you can save this video. The TikTok will process this video faster and you can actually upload it on TikTok. So I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel Digital Tutorials. See you in the next one.